What's going on, YouTube? In today's video is going to be a 3-in-1 install video. We're going to be installing the Steeda X brace, the Trufiber carbon fiber rear dash, and the Trufiber carbon fiber rear seat delete. The video is going to get kind of choppy because I intended it for it to be 3 separate videos, but like I said in the previous video, I'm getting kind of bored with it, so I just kind of put them all together and mixed them up the best I could. So it might get a little choppy, or I might start saying the same thing once or twice, or you might see it just jump around a little bit. But oh well, hope you enjoy the video.
This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
Let's get this bad boy open. Ooh, that's sexy right there. Sexy, sexy. Alright. What I'm thinking about too is, I don't know, I might have to put some Dynomat or something on here so it don't rattle. I'm going to lose my 6x9s too to look like it. Alright, let's take a look at it. Like I said, I didn't buy this new. It's like new. I bought it from my boy Eric. You know, he changed his mind, so I picked it up from him. Alright, next time you see this bad boy, it'll be in the car. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is take these seats out. And if you look on the bottom right here, little plastic thing, you want to push that and pull it out. Push this button and pull up. And the seat will just pop up. Next, you're going to get a 13mm socket and take out these 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, and 3. Now, I forgot about this stuff. Got the amps off, so now you just want to pull both your seats out. Easy peasy. Next, you want to pop these things off right here, little pins. Pop this off. Pull this out the way for now. Then you want to just little tabs. Pull on it. Put a little tab should just pop off. Then just pull this out the way. It's loose right here. Then you want to come down here and take that bolt loose and that bolt loose. Come by and tighten these bolts back up. Right here, I don't know if you got to take this off. I'm not taking mine off. I'm just going to mount it up just like this. Or I'm sure you could take it off or slide it behind it. It's up to you. I'm just going to do mine this way. If I have a problem later on, I'll switch it. Alright, we got the old stock one and we got the new one. I'm going to take this off and put it on the new one. If I could save it. This will just stop with some of the noise on there. I'm going to get me some Dynomat or something to put on there. But this will do for now. Yeah, I'll put this on here. I got some spray adhesive I'll put on there. gonna even take these little styrofoam things off too if I can get them. Yeah. So it's not gonna be easy. We're gonna use some of this right here. You wanna shake it up for a while. And then you're gonna just spray some on there. Give it a couple minutes to tack up a little bit. Alright, then you're gonna grab it and just stick it on there. Don't have to be perfect. Yeah, that's good enough. Next, we're gonna get these little styrofoam pad things and spray them with some adhesive and then put them on there. Alright, we got everything glued down to the new one. Like I said, it don't have to be on there like super tight. But alright, let's put this bad boy on the car. Next, we're gonna be taking out the seat belt. But in order to take the seat belt out, we're gonna have to take this out because it can't fit the thing on there. You're gonna just pop this cap off right here. Then just take the seatbelt off. Then you want to take this off. You just want to get your fingernail to pop the little cap off right there. And then there's a little Allen in there too. Unplug your defrost. Then you just want to start prying it off. Then you want to just take the bolt off. Kind of hard to do in one hand, but you get the idea. Then just take the seatbelt out. And that's that. And then you're going to want to do the same thing to the other side. And then when you put it back on, you're just going to do the opposite. Now will be a good time to take your speakers out too. I'm probably just going to leave mine in there for now. Maybe I'll just unplug them from the amp. I'm just gonna leave them there for now. Just pop it back on till it all snaps back into place. And that's that. Pop your things back in. Tighten your bolt back up. Alright, there you have it. My Trufiber carbon fiber rear dash. Like I said, I gotta run my amps and stuff to the trunk or something, so that's why that looks like that. Alright, there you have it. Pure sexiness. Next time you see this bad boy, it'll be on the car. Alright, we just got the seat delete inside the car. And now to put this rear seat delete in, is pretty much just lay it down and that's it. You're going to want to make sure you get that lip and hide it behind there. And then push it in and you're going to put your push pins right there. I think this is for that Boss seat delete cover that covers it up, so we won't be using those holes. It's kind of hard to do with one person, but you can get in. Okay, now all you want to do is just slide this up in here on both sides. Can't do it one hand, so I'll be back. You just want to push it up in there. And that's pretty much it. Alright, there you have it. Both push pins pushed in. Everything's secure. What I'm probably going to wind up doing is putting some kind of padding behind it. You know, because I'm sure it's going to make a lot of noise because it's kind of hollow. Like I said, I'm not doing it really for weight reduction. I'm just doing it for looks. So, alright, we got the dyno mat on the top. I don't know if you can see it better from the outside. Got the dyno mat on the bottom too. I know it's a mess right now, but it'll look better once I put it all back together. Alright, there you have it. The Trufiber carbon fiber rear seat delete, the Trufiber carbon fiber rear dash, and the Steeda X-Brace support. It's real easy. I mean, if you could take the old one off, you could put the new one on. You don't have to do all that dyno mat stuff like I did. I just did it to cut back on a little noise vibration and all that vibration stuff from my music and stuff too. But you don't have to do it. But hope you enjoyed that video. You know the routine. Don't drink and drive. Follow me on Instagram at this50go. Hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, maybe. Peace.